IEC has played a crucial role in building my career because I have spent most important 4 years of my life in IEC.
So when you go into the market, actually go into for an interview, you know everything. You know analytical skills, you know the programming skills, you know the networking skills.
IEC is a place where you can learn with the fun.
It is something like you are joining hands with a brand.
You should faith on faculty. They all are your well-wishers.
Just focus on your goal. Think what you need to do and you will get everything here.
And if you give your 100% and put your efforts, definitely you'll succeed in your future.
And finally, be a smart worker rather than a hard worker.
I started in 1981 with a single student and a single teacher. And we were the first in Delhi who purchased the computer for the practical purposes. There were no institute in Delhi of the computer education. The courses at present which we are giving in the Delhi, no other one is giving. Even to the teachers, when we take the interview, I make them understand we are not only for the purpose of third divisionals, because we have to consider from the future point of view. We make them understand that I want at least 50 to 60% students out of the total students you have. At least must get more than 75% marks, so that there should not be a difficulty to the student for the placement purposes. From a long point of view, I consider this thing. One of the students asked that, do you have recognized their diploma for this? So applied this question is not the recognition from any of the university, but more it is required when it is recognized by the companies. When they are taking number of students from us, students they say in case you will bring that diploma of the IEC, only then we will take you. It was the position. This time of 4 years is never coming to again in your life. In case you make a proper use, you will be on the high side. In case you will make a waste of it, you will be going down side.
IEC Group of Institutions is one of India's premier educational groups. It delivers high-quality professional education comparable with the best in the world. IEC Group offers a wide range of courses in the field of engineering, management, pharmacy, hotel management, and vocational education. The college provides direct bus facilities for students from different parts of the city. This facility helps students to attend classes without transportation hassles. Our classrooms are well ventilated, spacious, equipped with overhead and LCD projectors along with public address system to enhance learning. IEC attracts and retains the best faculty by creating an environment in which they have the freedom to innovate and enhance their creativity.
Well, we have the most knowledgeable faculty in IEC. Not only they provide us the theoretical knowledge, but also the practical knowledge.
Even if we don't get the things at once, twice or thrice, they are there to help us. They don't hesitate or they don't even get irritated.
The whole faculty, as a team, they work and they help us a lot in our studies.
All laboratories are well organized to provide hands-on training to the students in the emerging field of specialization. Each theoretical course is backed by sufficient laboratory experiments. The student may well claim the honor of being trained in the most sophisticated and state-of-the-art laboratories available at the present moment in our country. The Communication Lab is well equipped with all modern facilities starting from basic communication system, both analog and digital, to advanced system. Civil Engineering Department has been planned on modern lines with state-of-the-art facilities to be utilized for research and consultancy in addition to the training of students. The department is well set to provide excellent civil engineering graduate, well trained in all aspects of civil engineering. The Department of Applied Science has well-equipped laboratories in physics and chemistry. Every year, it introduces new experiments to make students understand what they study in theory. Department is of the strong view that theory and experimentation complement each other, and in order to be a good engineer, students must develop the habit of experimenting. All laboratories of Pharmacy Department in IEC are well equipped with modern scientific instruments of excellent quality, which are useful for analysis and research. The department provides versatile opportunity for the students to expand their learning through the research with the help of learned faculty members and enormous research facilities. Each laboratory is having sufficient space to perform experimental work. Laboratories are also well furnished with machines, equipments as per AICTE and PCI requirements.
We are fortunate to have a great variety of labs in which we are able to almost grasp all the concepts which we have learned in our theory classes.
IEC group of institutions have given me a standard from where I could build my career.
To supplement the classroom teaching, guest lectures are organized mostly from industry, where students get the opportunities to interact with the dignitaries and learn a lot from them, which makes them more confident to appear in interview and face those interviews. The college has established official links with many business houses so that students can visit and learn about various aspects of operations in running a business. These industrial visits help students to understand that how management theories which are learnt in the class can be applied to real-time business scenarios. It helps them by giving practical insight into the nuances of business management. The campus has a cafeteria which is spread over a huge carpet area of 8,000 square feet. It is an ideal place for socializing and having a great time sipping coffee and feasting on the great and hygienic food it offers. A beautiful circular-shaped digital library spread over 10,000 square feet at IEC campus is a gem in the crown. The institute has installed software like Fidelio for computerized front office operations to enable the students to work in the front office of any hospitality organization. The model guest room gives the students hand-on experience in bed making, cleaning and maintenance of room, placement of supplies, and principles of overall management of the guest rooms. The kitchen is equipped with ultra-modern kitchen gadgets and equipment, specifically for hotel management students to impart training for Indian as well as international cuisines like French, Oriental, Chinese, Thai, Mexican, etc., and to excel in the art of cooking and presentation. The lab is fully furnished with all the required restaurant equipments specifically to provide hands-on training to the students. Attached mock bar of the institute is equipped to train the students regarding the service of various alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages. Here they are trained to understand and perform the fundamentals of service of food and beverages. IEC University believes in the saying that all study and no play makes Jack a dull boy. We don't want our students to be academically brilliant, but want to see them progressing in every facet of life. To hone their overall personality, IEC University conducts extracurricular, co-curricular and cross-curricular activities on regular basis. The courses offered at IEC are Sports teach us several skills which the bookish knowledge fails to. The campus has a huge playground for sports. The college has separate hostels for boys and girls within the college campus. The rooms are spacious and well furnished with 24/7 high-speed internet connectivity and several other amenities. Each hostel has its own mess. The food we serve is not only appetizing but also nutritious. After all, what's a sharp mind without a healthy body? To create a home away from home for every student is the aim of the college hostels.
As a point of view from a girl, the basic thing that we look for is for security. So our residential security is very good at the IEC hostel.
The room here are very neat and clean, well provided with housekeeping facilities. The food is very up to the mark.
Ultimately, every student looks for better placement. Excellent placement provisions further differentiate this institute from the rest. Whether you want to be an engineer or a manager, our placement team helps you to polish your resume, get lucrative internships, and connect you with employers. Almost 100% placement is accomplished, that too in top-notch companies like Indiabulls, Syntel, Cipla, Tata, just to name a few.
I'm proud to be an ICN.
Proud to be an ICN.
I'm proud to be an IECN.
I'm proud to be an ICN.
I'm proud to be an ICN.
I'm proud to be an ICN.
I'm proud to be an IECN.
I'm very proud to be an IEC.
I'm proud to be an ICN.
I am proud to be an ICN.
I'm proud to be an ICN.
I'm proud to be an ICN.
So IECNs, all the best. Cheers.
Innovation, excellence, commitment. IEC Group of Institutions, preparing technocrats for tomorrow.